country that boasts 4 seasons and a province that has always longed for rain to keep their fields green, their streams running, and livestock and livelihood flourishing. Who could have imagined that this blessing can turn into a catastrophe for the whole country, and more devastatingly for Sindh? 2022 monsoon has swept away years of progress and washed away crops, livestock, homes, and even the province's infrastructure. But it couldn't take away the resolve of the Sindh government to persist in such moments, evident by our immediate rescue and relief mission during the floods. SPHF is the biggest housing initiative by the government of Sindh, aided by the World Bank to meet the housing requirements of 2 million households in Sindh. The project employs the latest construction technology to build solid foundations and modern homes in place of mud houses and temporary ones that stood here before. These are resilient homes in suitable locations that are equipped with basic services like latrines, water harvesting, and solar panels. This initiative is also providing land ownership to the residents, 80% of whom don't currently own the land they live on. Help us rebuild a more resilient and progressive Sindh for the future.